We're going to Oconto, aren't we? We're going to go to Oconto, meet Michelle and Mike, and it's kind of a drizzly day, but it's supposed to get better as the day goes on. And tomorrow's supposed to be really nice, so hoping for good weather.
This fella's gonna stay home all by himself and have cat parties. It's Labor Day weekend, and we are heading out to go to Oconto. Hoping that they have slips. We haven't called yet, so we'll see what happens, but they usually have slips for us. But it is the holiday weekend, and boating seems to be quite the popular thing nowadays with COVID. People want to get out, so we are gonna have our fingers crossed and hopefully get a slip. And this girl's coming with us. Woo.
So I got all the groceries in the back of the truck. I got locks too, so I don't know. It's probably okay if we go right to the club, I suppose, and get it on ice. Try Breakwater first.
The 7734 number.
Yeah. You don't have a pen or anything to write down slip numbers or anything? Hi, Joel. Good morning. I was wondering by chance if you have any room there for tonight for 2 sailboats. Excellent. One night, yep. Okay, do you need to know anything about us right now to reserve it, or? Okay, that sounds good. We'll probably be a good 5, maybe 6 hours before we get there. Okay, sounds great. Thanks a lot. We'll see you then. Yep. Bye. Cool. We got 2 slips.
Sweet.
And he's gonna put a cone out by the dock. And he didn't need to know our names or anything. Well, I think we are ready, I think.
All right, go untie us.
Yep, and tie the bow.
Oh, it's really slippery. I'm slipping with my flip-flops on too, but it's just so wet with all of the algae, I think, maybe. Be careful.
You too.
Have a good race. Oh, Piper, we're off baby girl. Yeah, we're all ready for a family vacation.
Might end up wing on wing for a bit. I'll hold that one still got. Watch it, it's coming across. I was sailing on the lee.
Yes. It failed.
Well, we didn't tip over.
That's true. And it didn't really smack. It kind of jibed gracefully.
Yes.
Now our head sail's a problem. Looks like we're pretty much dead downwind.
Yeah, till we get out a little further. This is a broad reach that we're doing right now.
I feel like it's more like a beam reach, don't you think?
Well, the wind's definitely behind the beam, isn't it? No, maybe not.
It is kind of a broad reach, beam reach. I'm kind of in between the two. I'm trying to broad reach it as much as possible because that's the best direction for us to miss that shoal. Otherwise we'll have to jibe.
Take care of me and my fragile heart. It's yours to keep, but it can break apart. I'll take care of you and all of your hopes. Hold them in my hands while we learn the road. Because my love is here to stay. Nothing could chase it away. And you are the keeper I'm needing to keep all my dreams. Keeper of my dreams. Climb up that hill. I'll catch you if you fall, but you never will. Because my love is here to stay. Nothing could chase it away. And you are the keeper I'm needing. You are the keeper I've been searching for. Weather the storms with me.
shitty?
Come on, baby girl. Good girl. Piper, you're in my way. Oh, that was a really fast sail.
Piper, over here. Stay.
Well done.
Stay, Piper. Stay.
Oh, she's like,
Okay,
get
come on.
me
Get
off
out
of
of
this
here."
boat.
Welcome to Oconto. Sorry I wasn't out there on the buoy to welcome you in.
Yeah, did you get that thing I sent you?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's that? Yeah. Oh, it's illegal to stand on a buoy.
Catching anything?
Caught 2 little perch and a goby that's even smaller.
Little snake.
Little guy, and he's got a bite mark on his back end.
Oh,
Stay. Stay.
we just left Oconto and we're heading to South Bay today.
Got a nice sail going here, just out of Oconto, and we're just doing a great sail. We're doing over 6 knots right now.
We are flying.
And at times this thing just gets overloaded with this breeze out here. We're gonna have to turn more into the wind. We're definitely gonna have to reef our head sail at least. Right now, here we go. This is a big puff. So
feel like we're-
6.8 just now. Here's a big puff. Big puff.
Sheeps are in the field today.
That means we have white caps.
Sheeps in the field. Oh my goodness, that's a toughie. Come on back.
This is Piper's point of view. That's what she sees.
The whole time.
This is all she looks at. Right?
Piper cam. We have officially entered the channel.
Feels good to be on land, doesn't it?
Piper thinks it is. Good to be on
That
land.
was a workout.
Now we gotta walk all the way around so we can go over there and pay. Welcome to South Bay.
It's a short distance to get there if you could walk across the water.
Or had a dinghy. I think that boat races at Windjammers, that boat races at Windjammers, and that sailboat I think races at Windjammers.
Do you have any more lines on your boat you could spare? Because I think Audacity's missing a couple. I might need a couple more.
Look at that. A distillery. Sure.
Over here. Over here.
What? I'm not on the internet. I've been doing a really good job.
Not on the internet. Also, it's like.
Singers, they're like, bam. You're like,
So we're still recording. Would you guys like to say something?
Mark Olson is awesome.
Who?
He is the best port. What?
Huh? Who's Olson?
Hey, what's your last name?
Hi, my name is Mark Hansen. I'm a windjammer and an alcoholic. And Patrick feels that I'm somebody else. All right, go ahead.
Who are you talking about?
Mark Hansen changed his name to Mark Olson because I said I thought that was his name and that should be more appropriate for that. I am enjoying a wonderful evening at Paradise Distillery with good Windjammers company. Pan shot, left to right. I don't know if I like their spiced rum. It's mediocre.
Ah! Anyway, these are my friends.
He pays us well. He pays us
Whoa.
well.
You got paid?
Yeah, we got
Oh,
paid.
we gotta go now.